Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Me brase Dr. Mihono Kowana na sebi president sechebi yanko fish war and so are you conscious of what happens in the fish industry once or in leadership you have to learn
official about
please what now on your that is it nana me tradition pa na we are sitting so there then say bibia usuna oti emunsem na wasia yo me tradition nana me be kan koko but before I make kan koko no say na me brand so can be one no na me come be shortly about audio bia Rebecca say go viral lady bia what in the voice at two phone so our man crofo say malaria vaccine aye no dangerous na ma obi amana kwara enko ni nyama nana me tie no first of all no me real hope na dia ema me bufu kwa ni say omo watra broche especially America no omo call say omo slangs na ebi mu Ghana omo free say ebi omo tininti omo wanyansa omo ne bia omo nim de ekoso na me hip hop nana because me tell my first time I go America no meaning for about America they didn't even know what was happening in the world no one named you and the ekoso engine for America although they are living in the developed world no sebi oma dream omo nim de no seriously underdeveloped malaria vaccine nana I mean my baby short they started develop malaria vaccine 32 years ago. That's how long it started in 1987 not in Ghana. The Nigerian started Ghana and they say, who started say, oh, yeah, vaccine way juma, oh, yes, you need money for exploration, you need money for experiments in the lab, you need money to test it in human cells. Nana, there were phases of trials. Why we were say, what to me the banny pemunu, there were the phase 1 trials, and no, what the man for Omua Hondi, and yes, Omuyari. Now, you say, so the first phase is our safety. Now, what is interesting is the first phase of this malaria vaccine happened in the United States of America, in US citizens, not in blacks. Omono let the no can say Ghana no abrocha ke Charles Kansana yet the mau Ghana de say fachi wakambo jimi into bia so na okoji nana US for na head mo omo na etu omuka they were volunteers. The first phase you normally pay because you don't know what might happen to the patient. So omo yedomu use you as guinea pigs no na in Africa. US, that's phase 1. After no na say hwiansi omumu and they came to phase 2. Nana phase 2 started in 2006 to 2009. Phase 2 no who check the profile efficacy. Say drone no the yaka say etimi ye no ampa say etimi yes sir enya sir results nana. Now guess what? From 2009 to 2014 phase 2 and 3 are testing efficacy any use no happen in Africa here about 11 different sites. It was 7 countries: Gabon, Ghana, Kenya, Malawi, Mozambique, Tanzania. Ghana, the member over 3,000 in Ghana way back in 2009. The Momu was sites at Agogo and Kintampo. And now Kasano, they've been following them. Nothing has happened to them. 2009. Now phase 4. Normally vaccine be only 3 phases. You can 4. You do phase 4. But just vaccine you just to more. You demand the person vaccine for meningitis, vaccine for hepatitis, vaccine for TB, vaccine for tetanus. You do that level. 30 years on now. This is the 32nd year I started developing vaccine way. Now, phase 4 no. Just Food and Drug Board.
Authority.
Food and Drug Authority. Other places is board in America and elsewhere. Yeah. Ghana authority. Your more license HSA. The drug is safe for consumption in humans. Now, phase 4, your friend post-market surveillance exercise. Just as I was starting to draw for the first time. Now we should say, how is it with the public? Now, Nana, trust in our say at minimum protection in close to 40% of our malaria. Just say every year, no malaria. 400,000 across the world. 400,000. Natio Ghana ya wene. Say you won't 1,000 and never Ghana. You won't 1,000. 63 of them die. And guess what?
Out of malaria.
Yes. No. Out of the 63.
Okay.
Out of the 63 is about 18 who die out of malaria. Now, Nana, just some few years ago, in 1999 yɛwo akwara out of 1,199 close to 20% ɔmo nyinaa ewu from what we refer to as under 5 attributable to under 5 mortality, and out of this close to 200 no about 25% malaria. What point am I making? How did we drop from 199 to 63? The answer is simple: vaccines. So say senior Pratt can be behind me, or see the average life expectancy in Ghana is 55 days. Do you know why? What affects it most is the number of children who die before they cross 5 years. In the first, no Africa, so the first 5 years the most challenging part of your life. Ultimately, do 70, 80, 90. But some 5 years now, and on your life now about 55, and then vaccines at their form. So the reason why we are going on the path of vaccine is only with vaccination that you can completely eliminate a disease. And because when was the last time we polio? It's through vaccination. When was the last time yellow fever? Some hundreds of years ago, yellow fever, it nearly eliminated the whole country. Ebola, what do you enter is Ebola in your Ebola, quickly they started developing vaccine. Accelerated manner, and I did 32 years old. And as I speak to you, they didn't pass through phase 1 to phase 4. From phase 1 on straight, they tried it in people who were about to die. And most of them recovered. And Ebola in 30 vaccine, but the vaccine is still being developed. And you're ready in Ukraine, I started saving lives. And let you know, Nana, your friend Dr. Koboy, I've done medicine for about 10 years. I've studied public health and tropical diseases. One funny thing and two. Now, Okasat is all approaching it. Nana, and Crawford say, and threaten our fight to eliminate diseases and save lives.
Point noted.
And the Obia out here, our voice, me too on I say hypertension, me shank of every brain. Now I join the people who can say, Doctor, I see numcha, Emma cancer. Now, Emma cancer, no say, emergency no be your more. Maybe some I didn't rush your moon cause Sancrofono. Yet, my so I beg you, more beyond Nana me just fetch me on that part. Hepatitis and now over kolibuni many places, liver disease or down for no oil kama. All of a sudden, now it's one liver problem, one liver cancer. And a generation in a year suffer from liver disease. The children who come in the next generation, they will not know what is hepatitis through vaccination. And now, Caribbean or Ghana, no, some vaccine, hepatitis B vaccine. And Nana, vaccines are the best way to protect you your lifetime. Now, malaria do the amount now, or Chinabet Nasa, I got malaria. And Nana, me fan too. Na Coco, Unim, Nana, politics, na it's simple politics. I buy opposition, more opposition. When they took over the reins of power from 2009, now Kufo Alpha Cocoa production from about 347,000 metric tons or double to over 700,000. And back at you. Yes, million. It came through number one, provision of extension officers, their services to farmers. Oh, please. These are records, these are facts. Me person him drum pepper so I have fresh cocoa board. Now the statistics not true. Me, I take my time to read. He more than doubled cocoa production between his 8 years. Mass spraying, na count. Subsidized fertilizer, na count. Now, 2009, NDC bar power no. Time on free 2016. Na cocoa production. In fact, who can 1 million? For free or no, because of programs and idea 2 or no, we hit 1 million tons. Even when we left power, because of the programs, the ripple effect. Yes. Na. They do 1 million. I feel they started cocoa production by the time they left office had fallen to about 850,000 metric tons from 1 million. Why do you go back? It's simple. Programs now did 2 on Emma didn't grow. You have failed to sustain the programs. It's very simple. Na. They know. They make any but politics no. I am it here. I was a opposition. Oh boy, say I was on bow and was a bow until I understand them. But let's speak to the facts. Nana. End is the time they told us that they say fertilizer is free. Although fertilizer was free, production was falling. So they got closer to the farmers. If you check Ghana web graphic or now, you do the research to tell you. They asked the farmers, how come you are having free fertilizers, but production is going down? The answers were twofold, Nana. Number one, fertilizer no, the efficacy and potency was very low because of either dilution or corruption. What I say. Number two, omu can say all the way say didn't free no. Oh China on shisha. Akoye scarce commodity. You really don't get it, so you are forced to buy. Ente ba ni say na wo woman free fertilizers no. O production here quality instead of the woman subsidized fertilizer or no cry the echo in. Nana, these are all facts. Now, what is worrying is that when we hit 1 million tons, Ivory Coast was doing just below 1 million. Who's at the point here crossing here over Ivory Coast as number one? Etienne, Ivory Coast, as I speak today, they are nearly hitting 2 million metric tons annually. Ivory Coast to Cote d'Ivoire. Obi Ivory. Why? Because they drew 1 million. Now they started Bonium. Now they organized fine. We forgot that it took programs to sustain this. Only say just before Nana Akufo-Addo be president. Now extension officers, they were scarce. Now they were not employing them. You buy under YE quickly, and I employ over 10,000 of them. And Nana, as for cocoa, dear, Oko Ejoma, cocoa farmers say a ban way. And what is interesting is that most cocoa farmers also plant other crops. Now, I've checked with cocoa production. If you look at the budget statement here 2019, there is growth in cocoa production. I reversing the negative trend that we had under the NDC. No. Till 2016-2017, amount I ton 1 ton of cocoa on the market. $2,950 per ton. Till 2016-2017. 2017-2018, yet so at about $2,080. Now so I buy way see I do our cocoa for Nana Akufo-Addo say only the cocoa for yeninti. He kept the farm gate price at a sky any cocoa per ton still at 7,600 Ghana cedis. Nana Tio time I ton cocoa $2,950 on the world market. Uton $7,600. You are actually, that is 65% of scanner white Java Bontino. And 65, only 300 more. Eka 35%. So the 35% anyam abanyano, that is for operations. Like I say cocoa farmer no anka 1 ton awaju no uko ton $2,950. Sika wo amano no. Say you sika feed the wanyano mo. Only about 35% of scanner onya ene na aka wo sem. Wo 65% ama farmer no. Yet cocoa price e world market no. We still stayed at 7,600. What it means that if you take the new price of $2,800, we have given 83% of the amount we've gotten on the world market to the farmer. Left with how much? Just about 70% for operations. Strictly speaking, if this government wanted to keep the margins like they've done in other countries, including Brazil, who produce cocoa, Anka would have been selling the farm gate. Yes, we better farm gate so that we will still get our 35% margins. It's because we wanted to support farmers. Anything I am teaching now, the ME say me senior me or better me uncle Eric Opoku. You know your press conference. Or you're a very experienced guy when it comes to cocoa matters. Who didn't share the bedroom or Becca will say one year by where I can say in his bedroom.
How sure?
Oh, Nana. Now, who can
it's never true.
You do where me and another who count them. Me can't deal with them. They also say never true.
It's never true.
Until I said that call that. Me see, who the Eric Opoku shower in the bedroom and in your hall. The Becca just say, "Yeah, by where I can say." Now, higher politics. I'm saying so because Eric knows that when world prices fall, if you keep the prices, the farm gate price the same, you have to be forced to find money to close the gap. And as we speak, this government has to find an average of 1.2 billion Ghana cedis to close that gap. Obeka say na dia onye echi sina prat na no mo because adia onye echi 70%. Ebani say and also who subsidize senior is fantastic but this is why you subsidize. First now price nintisa no na nka 1.2 billion way you wouldn't have lost it. Just say scan ka ba usem. But because you have kept the prices like that, it means that you have an opportunity cost. It's money that you have to find and take where you could have taken this 1.2 billion and can say unyano. And as for cocoa farmers there, Sebio Obika say muntumwa, it's because they say yemfa abanshe nisem. Now who need them sidan kwa and odima banwe. Na mami on the cocoa. Usha, when we got independence, cocoa was accounting for about 25% of your foreign reserves, Skayenya. Over the years, are dwindled about from, but it's still one of the highest about foreign reserves, Ayenya or Maiwemu. No. This government is still committed to two things: making sure say cocoa growth, because President Kufuor, Nana Akufo-Addo person on this same like yen person be ko echi there was retrogression from 1 million to 800,000 say we any complex mass o you feel my negative anameba current 800 minus 1 million is it not negative 200 but when we negative ya there we've caused a reversal say we are projecting that by 2021 we should hit about we should be closing towards the 1 million marks again. Ivory Coast I go do 2 million Nana. Ivory Coast is gone and we are here giving excuses. Omo we press conference and they managed this economy for 8 years. Kufuor doubled it and this is the last one where every the man in charge of government reforms he gave one of the most fantastic analysis on Cocoa Matida. Or see syndicated loans I had on Cocoa during Kufuor's 8 years amounted to just about $4 billion. Theo, in NDC's 8 years, their syndicated loans were up to about $12 billion. But guess what? Under Kufuor, cocoa production doubled. Average growth was about 40-50%. Oh, Nyabo, tell me back. How come? Please, I'm come. How come President Kufuor took $4 billion, gave 100% production, as in doubled? And somebody took 3 times his amount and couldn't do 50%. You know where the answer is? Corruption and incompetence. That's why.